Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Anjum and I'm working with Bizlockr as a business coach, and today we are going to discuss how to use Canva. Before we move on to the agenda of today's discussion, there are a couple of things that we need to understand. First of all, what is Canva? Secondly, what are the uses of Canva, or what is the importance of or significance of using Canva? And thirdly, why do we need to use Canva? I mean, then obviously we can cover up the how part. So let's start the session without wasting any further time. I'm going to share my screen and then I'm going to walk you through from this platform first, and then obviously we're going to have a better understanding. Just give me a second. Let me open a new tab and there you go, Canva. Okay, so first thing first, Canva is a tool that is basically used for the designing purpose. Whatever you need to design, this is one tool which is eventually going to help you out in that. You want to create a visual, Canva is the answer, or Canva is the place where you go. You want to design a video, you want to design a even a website. For that, you are going to use Canva. You want to design, you want to create a video document, you want to create a PowerPoint presentation, you want to create an email, anything that you can design or you want to create. For that, there's just one platform which is going to help you out, and that is Canva. Now, you must be thinking that it's going to be very expensive or it's going to be a tool that you would be paying for. No, we can use it for free. Obviously, there are eventually going to be certain limitations, but trust me, uh, if you are into your initial phases where you're trying to simply generate some of the leads and you want to simply interact with your customers, with your clients, you want to offer your products, you want to offer your services, you want to design something, Canva is going to do that for free for you. All right, you don't need to worry about the money, you don't need to worry about the costing. We can definitely use Canva for free. Now, first thing first, what eventually we need to design. Now, before we go on to Canva, let me share another thing with you. Let's go on to Facebook, and within Facebook, let's see, just give me a second. Okay, I guess I'm in the wrong. All right, so you can see that there is this image that has been posted into a group where a person is trying to sell their chairs. A person tried to sell a car, sell a car. There is this complete prompt engineering for AI bootcamp. I mean, it's a course. Uh, Similarly to that, like this one. Yeah, this is the pure example for this. Now, this is one course where the creator of the course has created a graphic where the creator wants his, her, or their traffic, their customer, their learners to simply get to know more about the product that they have developed. All right. So it's about learn AI skills for the future. So it's a AI based course for the students between the age of 7 to 16. And what you will learn, ChatGPT is there, Canva is there, Scratch coding is there, Word Wall and Wayground is there, Tinkercad 3D design is there, AI projects and presentation is there. It's 100% online live classes, expert teachers, and certificate is included. They have mentioned their WhatsApp number, and apart from that, they have also mentioned all of their other details as well. So, what is this? This is a graphic designed by Canva. We can surely design it over Canva. And basically, this graphic is trying to help the creator of this course to get connected with the customer or with the target markets. I'm watching this post at the moment, and I can see that there are lots of things that are basically offered with the help of this one post. And if I have a requirement, obviously I'm going to in that situation, I'm gonna simply like maybe send a WhatsApp message, or maybe I can simply like reach them out over the Facebook. Same goes with LinkedIn as well. Same goes with Instagram as well, because Now it's the time that you need to create these designs for your products or for your services. And with the help of these graphics, you are basically trying to connect with your target audience. Previously, what the conventional methods that were used for like expanding or increasing your outreach was email marketing, cold calling, WhatsApp bulk messages. I mean, all of that was there. But now things have changed. Now, all you need to do is simply create some graphics and go on to some groups where you can see your true target audience. Join those groups and start posting your stuff into those groups so that people who are going to be a part of or are going to be a member of that group, they can see whatever you're posting, they can see whatever you are offering. And in case if they have a requirement, they're going to reach you out, and then obviously you can close a deal. So eventually that is how you are going to be connecting. And this is the significance of using Canva. Now let's get back onto Canva now. So first thing first, we want to create a graphic. Now I'll go on to templates. Here you can see there are lots of options coming up. I'll go on to templates. And now I have a full variety of whatever things I need to make. Do I need to make a mobile video? Do I need to make a resume? I need to make a presentation or maybe graphics for the website, Facebook post, Instagram story, coding, landscape video, business cards, Instagram post. I mean, there's lots of things that we could be doing, like invitations, emails, sheet, flyer, poster, logo, talk, photo collage. All of these things you can do with an ease of just one click. Now, say suppose I'm going to take the same example like this one. I want to offer my courses. So what I will do, course. Now the results are right in front of me. I can select a category, like what I want to create with respect to a post. Do I need to create an Instagram post? Do I need to create a poster, presentation, landscape video, mobile video, Facebook post, flyer, and document? So let's stick with Instagram post. All right, so now I'm getting a huge variety for that. Now here you can see that I do have certain options coming up. But let me tell you, let me remind you that in the starting, I've told you that yes, Canva is for free, but again, there are certain features that are going to be paid. Now, if we talk about this one, this design, this design, this design, I mean, the top 9 to 10 design, they are for free. But any design that has this crown and says upgrade to Canva Pro to use this premium template, we cannot use that into the free trial, into the free plan. Like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So anyone, any template that is having a crown and says that you need to upgrade your plan, so obviously we cannot use that. But apart from that, there are different other templates that we can use. For example, I like this one, right? So how about this, that we can create our graphic with the help of this template. And here you can see it's free. So I have selected this. Now I'm going to click on customize this template, and it's going to open up in a new video. Oh, sorry, in a new tab. Now I can change whatever I want into this graphic because it's a generic graphic. It doesn't have my detail. It doesn't have my offerings. It doesn't have my logo. It doesn't have anything, not even the contact information. So I am going to put that information one by one manually. Now, first of all, I need to change the logo. I'll simply double click on it and I'll simply write, maybe let's go with Ultra Flow. All right. I need to put a logo here. So wherever my logo is, I'm going to simply upload the logo. Just give me a second. All right. So if this is the logo that I want, I'll simply drag it and I'm going to simply drop it right here. Okay, so let me concise it. Let me bring it like this. Or in simple terms, I can delete it from here and I can put the logo right here. Okay, I can squeeze it a little more and there you go. Now, if there is something that I need to change, like I don't like this online course, I want to write best course. And here, I don't like this either. I can change it. I simply have to double click on it and I can write uh, for the age between 7 to 16. This course is going to be a life changer. I have write it down right here. Our mentor list, just a second. Our mentor list. So we can simply change it to book now. I am not going to, simple as that. I don't like these images that has been used here. I want to change the images. So how about this, that I can change it with any other pictures. But the thing is this, that I have to upload the pictures first so that I can change it then. Now I'm looking forward to have certain pictures. Maybe possible that I have uploaded the pictures some time ago. So maybe like this one. First of all, let's see that how we can upload the pictures. So I'm going to go into Pexels. This is one platform from where you can simply get the image that you want. And obviously those images are eventually going to be free of cost. Plus, nobody's going to do a copyright strike on this. So how about this? I will write professional. Let's see what do we get for there. All right. So if I like this picture, I'll simply click on download. Okay. If I like this picture, I'll simply click on download. And just in case if I like this picture, I can simply download it as well. So we can download any picture that we want. Now, 3 of the images has been downloaded here. You can see that. And now what I need to do is I need to upload the images. How I'm going to do that? I'll go back to Canva. I'll simply click on upload files. It will get me to this place where my images has been downloaded. I'll select them all, like 3 of the images, and I'll simply upload it. Now the images are being uploaded. You can see. So I don't like this image. I'll simply click or select the image. I'll click on delete. Delete, and it's gone. Now I want to add this image right here. I'll bring this image over here and it's there. Maybe possible this image is not going to be looking nice over here. So what I'll do is I'll bring this image and I'll put it here. I'll bring this image, I'll put it right here. I'll bring this image and I'll put it right here. So with an ease of just one drag and drop option, I have changed the images. Now about our program. So it's about digital marketing. So I can simply change it by simply writing the things that I'm offering. So say suppose it's maths course, I'm going to change it to business course. English, I'll change it to IT. Physics, I'll change it to entrepreneurship. The spellings are not right. I can change it like this. And let's do it like this. You can see that I have changed the size so that it can fit into one row. Biology, let's change it to stats. Now, here you can see it has mentioned the date and time. So it's going to be, say, suppose 19th of July. So I'm going to remove November to July 2026. So I'm going to change that as well. And the timing is, say, suppose it's going to be 9 till 12 o'clock. All right. For more info, I have to put in my website and my email address. Now here you can see there's very less space between these two. So what I'll do is I'll simply change it to here. I'll simply drag and drop it to here. I'll bring them here and there you go. And I'll change the email address to my own email address. So say suppose farhan@farhan.com and www.farhan.com. If I want to add the mobile number, I'll simply press enter 0987654321. Now, here you can see my email address has a logo, my website has a logo, but my number doesn't have a logo. So what I'll do, I'll go to the elements, I'll click here on phone, or I'll simply say call us now, or maybe we can write phone. Now here you can see we have the graphics. So what I'll do, I'll simply choose the graphic that is exactly going to do the job. So there you go. The graphics is here. I'll drag it, I'll drop it, and I'll squeeze it so that it can simply and there you go. Now you can see the color scheme is a bit different of this logo that I have uploaded. So I'll simply select it. I'll go into the color section. I'll change it the color and it's there. And now everything has been changed. Now say suppose I want to change the background color. So I'll select the background color. I'll take it here and I can change it the way I want. I want to make it this one. I want to make it this color. I want to get this color for this color for this. I can change whatever I want. Okay. And if I want to change the color of the font, I'll simply select the color of, simply select the font that I need to be changed as of the color is concerned. So I can do that. So see, from green to I have taken it down to black. There you go. I want to change this tab color. I can change it to this one. I want to change this tab color. I can change it to this one. Anything that I want, I can change it. Even I can, I mean, see, these are the rounds in which we are having the image. I can change the picture. I can change the color of this from green to black. Like this, like this. I want to change the color of the calendar color. I can change that as well. So all I need to do is simply select it, go it right here, change the color, and there you go. I don't want to have these three dots here. I can simply select it and press delete and it's gone. I want it back, Control Z, it's back. I want to change these dots, it's gone. I want to bring it back, Control Z, it's there. I want to make it bold, I'll select it, I'll increase the size of it, and I'll make it bold. There you go. Now it's bold. I can do whatever I want. And once I have done all the amendments, all I need to do is simply click on share, click on download, select the size, like I want to download in JPG, PNG. PNG is the recommended thing or the suggested thing. This is basically the file format. If you're going to be downloading the file into PNG format, obviously it can be used for multiple reasons. So always suggest or use the suggested option, which is PNG. I'll click on download. It's downloading. And once it's downloaded, you can see download in progress. Click here. Just a second. Let's open it into the place where it is being downloaded. I guess this is a PNG format file, so that's the reason it is not going to be opening up with the regular. Choose another app. If possible, we can open it with Opera. There you go. Second. So here you can see it. That is how it's been downloaded. Now I want to use this image for my Facebook, for my Instagram, for my LinkedIn. All I need to do is simply go back to my Facebook, go into the place where I have to like create. So cleaning services, I'll select that. Just give me a second. And say suppose this is the company profile page that I've created. Basically, this is a dubbing company profile page. So I can simply select the image from here. And there you go. For more, please contact on 9876 or email. I'm gonna write in Farhan@farhan.com. And then I'll simply click on next and post. Up now. It will take some time and it will post it right here. And there you go. See, that is how easy it is to design, draft, and complete your graphics using Canva. And then you can post it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, even on your Twitter, which is now X, or maybe any other platform. So I guess that's pretty much it from my side. If you have any questions, if you have any queries, if you have any concerns, please do let us know. We would be happy to give you any assistance that you require. Thanks, Novi, for your kind response. Take it to yourself and have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.